Alright, so this will be the final part of my video, and I'm going to show you that the kit works. It locked my door, and it unlocked my door. In addition to fixing my locked cylinder barrel, I was able to repair, or rather just replace the battery in my key, and so this also works now. I can lock and unlock my car using my key, as well as just using my keyhole. So I feel absolutely thrilled and excited because I was able to do this myself. I got quoted a ridiculous price at about $500 for a repair of this locally, and I was able to repair it myself with I think it was like under $30 for parts, as well as it only was about an hour max for the actual disassembling and assembling of the cylinder barrel. So there you go, guys. This is to Epic Beauty, and I just repaired my locked cylinder barrel. So ladies, you can be both beautiful as well as handy if you want to.